Ready to achieve financial success without unnecessary risks, long waits, and complicated know-how? Well, today I'm excited to give away the secret of my highly effective strategy that can turn a mere $5 into a whopping $5,000. Stay tuned for the life-changing details.
Yes, please, go on.
Hey there, aspiring trader. It's Jane, and I'm inviting you to my channel where I share successful trading strategies for pocket option. With 4 years of trading experience specializing in binary options, I am living proof that an ordinary girl can make millions annually in this market. Subscribe to catch all the latest content, and I'm ready to share everything I know with you. Also join my Telegram channel where I guide my community step by step on the path to financial success. You'll find the link in the video description. Let's make big money together.
Money will make money.
Recently, my parents noticed that my culinary skills aren't up to par. No worries though, because now I'm here to demonstrate how you can flip $5 into a cool 5K in just 13 trading sessions. Try to think of binary options trading like whipping up a tasty dish. The key is knowing what ingredients, in our case strategies, to use. Alright, let's get into our strategy for the day. Set the candle time frame to 1 minute. Our trade time will match at 1 minute. We'll focus on 4 currency pairs: Swiss franc and Japanese yen, Euro and US dollar, Australian and New Zealand dollars, Euro and British pound. These pairs are top tier, boasting stability, moderate percentages, and solid market positions. Ready. The star players in our strategy: Super Trend and RSI indicators. They are a power duo. Adjust Super Trend ATR period to 12, switch up RSI period to 7. Now, Super Trend is like our trend tracking maestro, similar to moving averages and MACD. It lays down trend lines right on the chart. The Super Trend indicator is driven by prices and its values, indicate the current trend and its strength. It lays down trend lines right on the chart. Meanwhile, RSI's graph is our go-to for technical analysis figures, support and resistance levels, and spotting overbought and oversold conditions. These indicators help us pinpoint entry times, trend duration, and nail down the right candle directions. Now, let's jump into trading, finally! But before we dive in, I'm eagerly waiting for you to hit that like button to show some love for sharing these trading secrets with you.
I'll do it.
Let's do this. Alright, let's see what we've got here. So here we are, watching a consistent downturn that just doesn't want to stop. The downtrend is holding its ground, and the Super Trend indicator is taking steps down, indicating a continued drop in prices. Who are we to argue with such a powerful indicator? We are putting our money on a drop. And phew, that was a risky move. I'm feeling the tension. The first bet in such intensity right out of the gate. Alright, now we've got $9. Sweet! The next fantastic pair, the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. Here we notice a change in trend. We're spotting a trend switch. RSI is heading south. Looks like the candle hits its logical ceiling. That means we are anticipating a continued downward move. Bets in. We threw in $9. Waiting. So, we've already got $17. Nice! Sure, our goal might seem a bit far off, but the key is to stay sharp and keep pushing ahead. On the Euro and the US dollar, the situation is different. Both indicator lines are pointing up, practically shouting about the candle heading upwards. The choice is obvious. Up it is! So, we've hit $33. That's what I'm saying. Let's keep this going. For the fourth pair, the indicator lines are once again sketching out a candle ceiling, just like our second currency pair today. I'm guessing a downtrend is on the horizon. Let's jump in. What did my parents say about cooking? Well, actually, they are cheering me on. So we've already pocketed 62 bucks. By the way, how are your nerves holding up during trades? And hey, which indicator has been your go-to for success? What's your strategy? Tell us about your achievements in the comments. This info will be gold for our whole community. Oh my gosh, after a candle like that, a bounce is expected. Notice how the RSI is climbing back into overbought territory, hitting a fresh high on the indicator chart. Let's hit down. Wow, that was a close one. The trade closed in our favor literally in the last seconds. So we've got 119 bucks in our pocket now. Let's keep earning. Over here, the candle just froze at our chart's resistance level. We are anticipating a downward move. And now, yep, already 226. Awesome. Well, Euro and US dollar. Check it out, the highway to hell is ongoing, which means we are riding the trend. A very low low. Boom, we are at 432. Fantastic. Another successful trade in the bag. Here, it seems that Ceiling is stuck in consolidation. Another drop. Hitting down. Very nice. We've got 828 bucks, getting closer to our goal. All thanks to our strategy. And I am planning loads of more useful videos for you. Did you know you can get advice from ChatGPT during trading? In one of my future videos, I'm gonna test who will earn more, me with my experience or artificial intelligence. Leave a like if you want to see this kind of trading session.
I would love to.
Alright, a reversal from the current maximum is happening right before our eyes, confirmed by the indicators we picked today. So, down. And we are rewarded with a nice sum of 1,587 bucks. So, am I awesome? Who is the successful trader here? Don't forget to praise yourself when you have successful trades. It helps keep the good vibes. And I also reward myself financially, spending the earned money on nice special things. Wanna join in? Let's hit 500 likes, and in one of the upcoming videos, I'll raffle off the amount earned in trading among you, my successful beginner traders.
Ooh, that sounds great.
Well, what's going on with Australian and New Zealand dollars? The trend isn't changing its direction and continues to roll down. We are moving very confidently. We've almost doubled our amount and now have 2,507 bucks. Great. How are Euro and US dollar feeling? Indicator suggests a bounce is in store. Looks like it. Full speed ahead, placing a bet on up. You can also give this video a thumbs up. Awesome! The result, $3,427. And we are really close to the coveted goal. Wrapping up our third round with the Swiss franc and yen. SEPA trend tells us not to turn the situation around. The downtrend continues. Well, yep, and that was a confident move. Our profit is $4,227. What a trading session! And finally, our first pair. Here, once again, a good downward movement is taking shape. Drum roll. And the red candle repeats its third step. This is just awesome. Super profitable trading. Let's celebrate because we've achieved our result. $5,147. Amazing! Almost without breaking a sweat. In my Telegram channel, I've got some cool stuff going on. Not only do I host free trading sessions that you can jump into, but I also break down what the binary options trading is. I'm talking about how to use Pocket Option, the buttons to hit on the platform. I've got you covered. I'm here to support each and every one of you every single day. So guess what? In just a couple of days, you'll be mastering trading and making that cash flow, even if you're starting from the ground zero. Some might think trading strategies, signals, and indicators are complicated, but trust me, it's straightforward and pretty darn exciting. I'm here to guide you step by step into the trading world, helping you hit that new level of financial freedom. Our fantastic trading session went exceptionally well. Phenomenal! We kicked off with a humble $5 and now, boom! Check out our account, a solid $5 grand. Cool, right? So it's time to say goodbye for now until we meet in Telegram.